How's it going, everyone? I thought you may be interested in knowing the meaning of the line, "The bombs bursting in air." The poem was written long before aerial combat, so what is it exactly that's being referred to here? What are these bombs bursting in air? Well, here's the history behind that technology. Here you have a cannon. The idea is you have an explosive material. At the back of it, you have a heavy, hard object, the cannonball, above it, and there's some sort of fuse that ignites the explosive material, and a bunch of gases now have to escape, and they push the cannonball out of the cannon. The shaft of the cannon directs the ball at wherever it is the person wants to aim it, and the big heavy object hits something, likely breaking whatever was being aimed at. So you have these cannons, you have these cannonballs, and then you have the invention of the bombshell. So what's being fired now is not just a heavy object, but a shell. Now here's how it's depicted in cartoons. So you have this shell, you have the fuse that's sticking out of it, and it's ignited, and you have your explosive material on the inside. Okay, so this heavy shell is just a container to deliver the explosive material. It's fired from a cannon, it eventually lands somewhere, the fuse runs out, the explosive material explodes, breaks apart the casing, and causes damage. So you're not just firing a large heavy object to break things, you're actually firing something that explodes. So this was the next step of this technology. The flaw in this technology is that the object might not hit the target, right? This bombshell, right, might not hit the target at the same time that it explodes, right? So it might first land near or on the target and explode afterwards, which still damages the target, but the fuse might also run out before the target is hit. And because this is launched through the air, the bombshell may actually explode in the air. And this is something that happened in warfare at the time, hence the term, "the bombs bursting in air." Now later on, leading up to World War I, there were actually advances in shell technology, creating shells that would explode on impact. And these are the shells that are used in warfare today. But of course, this line was written before that invention, and so that is why you had bombs bursting in the air, because the fuse would run out before the bombshell hits its target while the bombshell is still flying through the air. So thought you may find that interesting, and till next time, enjoy.